In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a Teamspace in Notion. Notion is a powerful tool that many people use to manage projects, organize information, and collaborate with teams. Archiving a Teamspace can be a crucial task, especially when you're looking to declutter your workspace or set aside projects that are no longer active. Let's dive into the process, which is simple yet essential for maintaining an organized digital workflow. Firstly, you'll want to open Notion and sign into your workspace. This is where all of your work happens, so it should be familiar territory. Once you're logged in, make sure you're in the correct workspace where your Teamspace resides. This is important because Notion could have multiple workspaces, especially if you're using it for various projects or teams. Now the next step is navigating to the right settings. On the Notion interface, look for the Settings option. This is usually found in a sidebar or a drop-down menu, depending on how you have your workspace configured. Once you've found Settings, click on it to open up more options. Here, you'll want to locate the section specifically for Teamspaces. Inside the Teamspace settings, you'll see a list of all the Teamspaces associated with your current workspace. Browse through this list to find the specific Teamspace that you intend to archive. Notion's design helps you see all the necessary details at a glance, so locating the right Teamspace should be pretty straightforward. With the correct Teamspace selected, it's time to head toward the archive feature. Depending on the version of Notion you're using, you'll either scroll down to a section aptly named the Danger Zone, or find an archive section. Both sections serve a similar purpose. They're where you can perform tasks that significantly change or remove elements from your workspace, so tread with a bit of caution. When you arrive at this section, look for the option that says Archive Teamspace. Clicking on this will prompt a confirmation message to appear on your screen. This step acts as a safeguard to ensure that archives, which are often irreversible actions, are conducted intentionally. It will outline that archiving the Teamspace will remove it from active engagement within the workspace. Finally, to complete the process, confirm your decision to archive the Teamspace. This is usually done by clicking a confirmation button in the prompt that appears. Once you affirm this choice, Notion will move the Teamspace into an archived state. It's worth noting that archiving doesn't mean deleting. You can still retrieve data from your archived spaces if needed. And that's it. You've successfully archived a Teamspace in Notion, streamlining your workspace and keeping your areas of focus clear and organized. If at any point you need to access the archived data or undo the archive, you can explore those options within your settings too. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Notion.